pencil with an eraser and tissues and scissors.
Okay. And can you tell the kids what you have to do to make the paperclip float?
When you put the paperclip without the tissue, it drowns down. When you put the tissue in, the tissue acts like a skin on the water surface, so it makes the paperclip kind of, when you kind of push the tissue, when you put the tissue down without the tissue, the molecules are not separate. When they hug each other, they will still hold the paperclip when they're hugging each other.
Really good. And can you show us what would happen when you put the paperclip without the tissue?
It drowns.
Did you see what happened?
Yeah.
What happened?
It drowned.
It went to the bottom, didn't it? We call that sink. It would sink.
Yeah, I can see.
If you were Christopher, would you please sit on your bottom? Thank you.
Now when you put the tissue, but you can't touch the water.
You're going to put the tissue in, but don't touch the water. Lay it down very gently.
Because then the tissue is, then your hands, so the molecules won't be able to hold the paperclip, so you can't touch the water. Now when you put a paperclip in, but you can't touch the tissue and the water this time. And you have to poke
The
it.
paperclip was floating.
No, when you get it off, when you get off the tissue, it will actually, oh wait.
Oh, so you're going to leave the paperclip, but push the tissue down?
Yeah. Oh.
No, don't touch the paper clip.
Go slow. Do you see what she's doing?
Yeah.
So the tissue is still floating on the water, but she doesn't want the tissue to float.
No, put another tissue.
Okay.
Sometimes experiments don't work, and what do scientists have to do?
You have to put
Wait,
it again.
Daddy will come near you. No,
Oh.
no problem. Take another tissue. Yeah.
Do it slow, Gurishvani.
Put the tissue. Yeah. Take a paper clip. Put it. And poke the sides.
I didn't see. Is the paperclip there?
Stay cool. Okay. Don't touch the paper clip. Now.
Gentle.
Yeah. Oh, don't touch it. Yeah. Now poke it. Yay.
What? The paperclip is floating on the top.
Take this
It's
out.
not actually floating. It's moving all around when the water.
When I float on top of the water, I move all around too. Right?
Because of the waves on the water, it makes.
Can I take a picture of it?
And,
I've done this before.
and what is the concept in which it's floating?
It's called surface tension.
What a cool word. Did you hear that? Ask the person next to your feet. What was that word she said? Tell them one more time, Gurishvani.
Surface tension is called surface tension.
What is surface?
It means
Excuse me 1 minute.
it means it's the water's being flat.
The top of the water, the flat part. And tension means
It's kind of like being floats. It's waiting, so the paperclip is gonna
No, when you don't put the tissue, what happens? The water molecules are?
far away.
Okay, when you put the tissue paper,
They hug each other.
the water molecules hug each other.
The tissue paper acts like a skin on the surface, so it can hold all the molecules. So when we move the tissue paper, it's still holding the paper clip.
And what will happen if you touch the paper clip now?
It's gonna drown.
Why?
Because when you touch, it's gonna drown.
Yeah, because the water molecules will move.
Away.
That's
the
right.
tension broke, right? Did you
Yeah.
break the tension? Yeah. Did you know water has molecules?
Yeah.
Can you see the molecules?
No.
No, I can't see any molecules because they're so tiny we can't see them. But that's what the water is made of, molecules. And she got all the molecules to do what?
Hug each other.
Hug each other. But when she put the pencil and touched the paper clip, what happened to the molecules?
Separate.
They spread out. Just like, Maya, would you stand up? And Gavin, would you stand up? Can we pretend Maya and Gavin are molecules? And when they stand next to each other, look, my camera can go right on top of here. I'm not going to let it go because I don't want my camera to fall. But when I pull Maya apart, what happens to the camera? It would fall down, right? Because these two molecules aren't hugging each other anymore. So when they're close to each other, they're hugging each other. When they fall apart,
It's like a bridge.
it leaves a space.
So it's like if it's a
It
bridge.
makes a little type of bridge.
Yeah, if it falls, you can't get on.
Mm-hmm. Can you clap for Guru Shivani? Guru Shivani, do you think we could leave them on the tray today so that the kids could try it at the science table? Yeah. And if you have a question for Guru Shivani, would you raise your hand?
Jade. Why did you have to put tissue paper? Because the tissue paper makes all the molecules hug each other so it can hold the paper clip. Oh yeah. Why do you have to add water? Because then I can't